Murtaza here with Heartbeat. I'm going to show you how to give the admins in your community a little badge that appears right next to their name. So every post, every comment, every message they send, they can have that admin badge right next to their name. You'll notice that we actually do this in our own customer community, the Hearth. Anywhere that you see a team member from Heartbeat posting, there's a little Heartbeat team badge that appears right next to their name. This is really helpful because it designates content as admin created for members that are chatting back and forth in the community, especially for these larger communities. It's really helpful to know when information is coming from an administrator of the community rather than just another general member. So it's really helpful in terms of just like clarity for members. To set this up, we're gonna jump into a test community that I've got pulled up over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our settings in the top right corner of the community. We're gonna navigate to the access groups over here on the left sidebar. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to create a group and we're gonna add a badge to that group that says admin. So I'm gonna create this group. I'm just gonna call this admin over here. And I could, choose the color of this. I think something like black is good just because it's a little bit more official. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna make this automated. So I'm gonna automatically choose who gets added to this group. I can base this just directly off if someone has the administrator role. So I'll select the groups filter over here and I'll say everybody with the administrator role, I wanna automatically grab into this group. And that's it. Now, to make this badge display on their profile, I'm gonna click the badge option over here. So under visibility, we'll select badge. So that way, any place that this person posts, they're gonna have a little admin badge right next to their name. So now I can go ahead and hit create, and that's going to go ahead and create my automated group, just telling me over here 11 users are gonna be added, so that's good by me. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm. To test this out, I can go into the community and I can go ahead and make a new post and I can say, hello world, post over here. And you can see that I've got this little admin badge that's been added right below my name. So again, easy way to create these distinctions, and it's just best community practices, especially as your community continues to grow and scale. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, support@heartbeat.chat.